What is up, you guys? Paolo back at it again with another day, another video. So guys, we're here for today's video. Kasama yung kapatid ko. Before anything else,
Hey guys.
plug natin yung kanta niya. Meron siya bagong kanta. You Got Plans, available on Spotify, iTunes Music,
and other streaming platforms. It's out now. Dalawa yun. And I have more coming soon. So you guys should check it out on Spotify and all major streaming platforms. And if you don't have access to that, it's also on YouTube. So check it out.
So guys, ang ating i-review for today's video is chicken wings. Bale, gawa to ng office mate ko. Ito siya. Hindi pa kami kumakain. And we have,
Anong flavor yan?
this is the original flavor. Tapos, ito, meron ding... So guys, ang flavor niya is ito, original. Tapos, meron tayong salted egg. Tapos, ito yung jalapeno and cheese. Tapos, this one naman yung chili barbecue, this one. Tapos, ito yung original spicy. So guys, we're about to see. Ay, before anything else pala, meron din siyang kasama dip na sour cream and garlic mayonnaise.
Tadalitan. Tadakimasu.
First guys, we're gonna try the sour cream. Pero nahaluan na siya nitong jalapeno. Pero okay lang yun. No! Dumang-dumang yung cream. Yung cream coat na ano.
Ako talaga ayoko yung salted yung isa salted
Sour cream, garlic mayonnaise. So guys, we're gonna try the chili barbecue.
Beauty guru.
Yun na nakikita yung pinakain.
Also, look at our utensils. It's not gold.
It's not
mine.
Ito chili barbecue niya. Coated talaga siya ng kasi ng barbecue. I like the garlic mayo.
Garlic.
Lagay siya dun sa ano, chili barbecue. Naghahalo yung yata.
Pero hindi siya sobrang anghang. Yung chili barbecue.
Konting spice dyan no?
Ang dami yung flavor. Dapat meron tayong topic na pinag-uusapan.
Hindi po ito sponsored, Smirnoff,
Baka naman.
Ang samida! Jalapeno naman.
Look at that sauce though. Yung sauce.
So guys, next is jalapeno.
As ng ano? Barbecue. Hindi, barbecue flavor ng potato corn.
Original spicy.
Hindi na spice. Ah, parang hindi.
Parang may cream siya.
May buffalo chicken ng ano?
Don Enrico. Sarap. Ako sa akin na ito pinamasarap. So we're just waiting for the rice. So guys, nandito na yung kanin.
And we're gonna try the last flavor.
This is the original.
Okay. Nasang corn?
Parang nga-smoke. Parang pinausukan yung luto. So guys, between all, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko is yung original spicy. Kasi yung parang pagkalasa ng pagka-buffalo is dama mo. Like coated talaga siya. Like Don Enrico.
If you know, kung gusto ko.
Jalapeno.
Because it's my favorite. Kahit anong pagkaya, paghalapin.
Compared sa chili barbecue, original spicy and jalapeno, si jalapeno yung maanghang. Doon nag-take effect yung anghang sa amin. Tapos, sa garlic mayo and sour cream, ako mas prefer ko si garlic mayo. Garlic mayo.
Kahit ayoko na mayo, pero
Masarap yung garlic mayo. Tapos syempre kanin. So guys, that concludes our video. Naubos na namin lahat ng chicken. Original muna. Sa original, akin, normal lang siya. Normal lang siya. Hindi siya like, alam mo yun, hindi siya yung something that makes you
yun
happy.
nga yung favorite ko yun.
Yung original? Para sa akin, it's not. Baga, normal lang. It's normal for a chicken wings, the classic wings. Tapos, next is the salted caramel. Kasi ako hindi ako gusto ko yung chichirya. Or like, alam mo yun, pag tayo nakain ko siya, nauunay ako.
Ako talaga na good. Ngayon lang nakatim ng chicken.
Oh, chicken. Salted yan.
Caramel.
Salted egg. Salted egg. Sorry. Tsaka yun nga, medyo parang lasang buttery siya. So, jalapeno.
Sobrang masos.
Tapos maanghang. Anghang siya.
Good.
Goes very well with the garlic mayo.
Garlic mayo,
So,
10 out of 10.
Yes. Yung jalapeno. Then, with the original spicy, para sa akin yung the best. Like, lasang-lasang yung cream. Yung pinaka-sauce coating niya. Bon appetit. The chili barbecue. Anyway, ayun, chili barbecue, lasang barbecue. Parang,
Take the corner.
Parang
Barbecue. Bakit yung powder? Ayun yung sabi mo, small.
Ito na. Basta yun, yung chili barbecue, parang yung powder. Tapos sa sauce, yun nga, garlic mayo. So, Rem, sarap yung mga food na chicken wings, no? So, if you guys wanna go order at ng contact details ni Mr. Rem Alicante, nasa baba po. Go down in the description ang matikman nyo kung ano ang lupet na pakpak ni Rem.
Direm!
Hey lang guys, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to keep guys updated whenever I post a video. Again, we got plans.
Now on Spotify, Apple Music, and all streaming platforms. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my SoundCloud. Dami. But yeah, I post a lot and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Love you all, no hate, just love. Peace. See you guys next. Oh guys, by the way, tingnan niyo tong improvised ring light.
Bye!
Bye!
Didn't mean to fall for you.